Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all in very good health, enjoying Ramadan, enjoying the beautiful weather. It rained last night and it's a sunny day today, but it's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. And you know, the sun is very important. You see, yes, sun is very, very important. So beautiful day, and we are going to open it up. A present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that what we are going to get today and what we have to give to others today, right? Okay, so we are in our science class right now, and today I am going to tell you a beautiful story. Yeah, that's an amazing story. This also tells us how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made this world, how everything is working, how beautifully is the system is there in this world and what is happening around. So we hardly get a chance to see these kind of things, but when we discuss, when there's something in our mind, then we even get to see that as well. So this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful story. And this is a story about this is the story about a very, very, very hungry caterpillar. Yeah, this is the. Oh, you're still hungry? Okay, no problem. You're not fasting today? Oh, because he's so small, so he's not fasting. So I am going to tell you the story of a very, very, very hungry caterpillar and what happened to that caterpillar. Okay, you stop moving, caterpillar. Look, if we'll give you something to eat, you don't worry. Okay, so you stop moving, right? He's not stop moving. So maybe he's very, very, very hungry, though he's not fasting. So I am going to tell you the story of that very, very, very hungry caterpillar. Okay, so we are going to start the story from a leaf, right? So in the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. So can you see this little egg? There are a couple of eggs on the leaf. So they were very small. So I put a couple of them for you to have a look at that. Right? So in the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. And then what happens? Then on Sunday morning, the warm sun come up, as today it's outside. So the warm sun come up and there's something pop out from the egg. And what was that? Yeah, that was a very hungry little caterpillar. See what we get? The caterpillar pop out of the egg. Yes. So, and he started to look for some food. Because he was very, very, very hungry. So he started to look for some food. See, he's small right now. Okay. Now I am going to tell you that what happens to this small little hungry caterpillar, right? Now what happens that on Monday, he started eating, right? So on Monday, he ate one apple, right? So on Monday, he ate through an apple. He went inside, he made the holes, right? So I didn't make the holes in the food. So on Monday, he ate through an apple. Okay, but he's hungry. Then on Tuesday, what happens? That he ate through 2 pears. Now, can you see 2 pears? Yes, he ate through 2 pears and he made the hole in the pear. Wow. Okay, what happens? The caterpillar is still hungry. Now, on Tuesday, he ate through 3 plums. Oh, So he ate through 3 plums. Oh God. But what happened? The caterpillar is still hungry. So on Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ate through all 4 strawberries. Oh, but he's still hungry. Oh my God. Then on Friday, he ate through 5 of the, yes, oranges. He ate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He ate through 5 oranges. Oh, what happened, Mr. Caterpillar? He says, I'm still hungry. So he ate 1 apple on Monday, 2 pears on Tuesday, 3 plums on Wednesday, 4 strawberries on Thursday, and 5 oranges on Friday. But he is still hungry. Oh my God. Now what happens? Then the other day, he ate through so many things. Oh my God. Can you see this? He ate through so many things over here, which I am going to show you right now. Just have a look at this. Oh my God. He ate through the ice cream. He ate through the lollipop. He ate through the cake. He ate through the watermelon and the Swiss cheese and the cupcake muffin. And he ate through the pickle and the chocolate and the sausage. Oh my God, he ate so much in one day. And is that all junk food? Almost all is the junk food. Oh my God, he ate so much. And then what happened to the caterpillar? When we eat so much, and if it's not all healthy, what happens to us? The caterpillar got stomachache. Yay. The caterpillar got stomachache. Oh my God. Then the caterpillar gone. He went and he ate through and okay, I'm going to tell you that what happened to the caterpillar. Now the caterpillar had so much of stomachache. So he went through to the jungle and he ate the leaf. He ate through the leaf. Right? So now he feels good. And now he is not a small caterpillar anymore. Now he became big, fat caterpillar. Yeah, because he ate lot and lot and lot. Wow. Now what happens? He went onto the tree and he made a home and he slept in that home, right? He made a comfortable place. He wrapped himself and he just slept there. Okay? Yes. Yes. See, he made a home. He made a cocoon around himself and he went inside the cocoon. He just went inside and he wrapped himself in this cocoon like this because now he wants to sleep. See, he made a cocoon like this. He wrapped himself inside and now he is sleeping inside the cocoon, right? So now this is hanging through the tree, through the plant, and the caterpillar is inside. Now, the caterpillar slept inside the cocoon for 2 weeks, for more than 2 weeks. He slept inside. And do you know what happens then? Something comes out after that. Yes. So what happens? That the caterpillar, when he ate the green leaf, and after that he felt much better, then he wasn't even hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar, he was a big fat caterpillar. Then he built a small house, and that is called a cocoon. So the caterpillar made this home around himself, and he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he made a hole in the cocoon, because now he slept for long and now he wants to come out, right? Yes, he wants to come out now. Now, what will happen when this caterpillar will come out? Will he be the same caterpillar? A little fat caterpillar? Okay, now you know what happens when the caterpillar, oops, when the caterpillar comes out of this cocoon. You know what happens when he comes out of the cocoon? Let's see. Oh, he's opening up the cocoon. He has break the cocoon. And now something is coming. Yay! Wow! That is lovely. Now he turns into a beautiful butterfly. Wow. He is no more a caterpillar. Now he has grown the leaves and he has become a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Now this is the body of the caterpillar, and now he has got wings, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wings, right? So this was the story of a very, very hungry caterpillar. And this is how the butterflies come into this world, right? So that is, I'm going to show you that how they are on the tree or the leaf when we can see them. You see, you just have a look at that. There are leaves, right? They have got eggs on them, if you can see, right? See, these are the eggs when they lay, and when the sun shine comes on it, they pop up, and what comes out? Comes out the caterpillar. And then what happened to the caterpillar? You know that he ate so much, so much, so much. Remember? Yes, the caterpillar ate so much that we remember. Okay, now just have a look at that once more, that what he ate when he was hungry. Oh. So this is the small caterpillar right now we are looking at. The small one which has just come out of the egg, right? See, very small egg when he comes out, and then he ate so much, so much, so much. And I'm just going to show you that once again, that what he ate one apple on Monday, then 2 pears on Tuesday, then 3 plums on Wednesday, 4 strawberries, 5 oranges, and then all that so much that he had stomach ache. And then he had to eat the leaf, right? And then he felt much better. And then when he was better, he was no more a small caterpillar like this. He grew up into a big caterpillar, and then he made a cocoon. Yeah, see, cocoon hangs like this on the plant. See, on the twig like this, a small branch. This is the cocoon which the caterpillar made, and then he sleeps inside, and he sleeps inside for more than 2 weeks. And after that, when he slept for more than 2 weeks, he wants to now come out because he was so fat. Maybe he was not fit over there and he was not comfortable to be over there. So he wants to come out. And see, he comes out so beautifully that we all love that, right? And he comes out like a butterfly in the shape of, in the form of butterfly, he comes out. So see, this is how the circle, then butterfly is again going to lay the egg over here on the leaf, and the caterpillar is going to come out of the leaf, and he'll start eating and eating and eating and eating. And when he will be no more hungry, he's going to make a cocoon, and he will sleep there for more than 2 weeks. And then he wants to come out because he became so big. I think he does not fit in the cocoon. See, he is big butterfly now. So the butterfly wants to come out and fly and go and kiss the flowers and take the nectar and make the environment and the garden all so beautiful. And we've got so many kind of butterflies which you can see all around. And now you are going to find that if you can see a cocoon around, because these days maybe you can find the cocoons. So maybe you cannot find the eggs because they're very tiny. I have made a little one so that you can see that this egg, but it's very hard to find the eggs. Yes, but it's, you can find the cocoon if you look around, but don't look around alone. It could be dangerous, right? There may be bees around, so because this is the season for bees as well. But you can just have a look and find that, observe with your elders. Maybe you can find a cocoon. You can take a picture and share it with us. And if you, you find butterflies everywhere. So this is very easy for you to find the butterflies. So this was our life cycle for the butterfly. And now I'm going to share you a picture, share with you a picture which is going to show you how the butterflies, the life cycle of butterfly. How does this look like, right? Okay, now have a look at this. See, we talked about the eggs on the leaf, right? And then see, this is the caterpillar, which is coming out and eating and eating and eating. And then he makes its pupa and he hangs on the string as I showed you, and then he becomes the beautiful, beautiful butterfly. See? Now, this is how the life cycle of butterfly is. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it. They are the eggs first, and there is a caterpillar. Then caterpillar eats and eats and eats and eats and eats, and then he sleeps for more than 2 weeks. But he make a cocoon, he make a home for himself to make him comfortable over there, so nobody can take him, or he's hiding, and he is being creating himself into a very good, something very good. So now this is Ramadan time, and we even in our cocoon at home because it's not safe outside. So what we can do is we can even make ourselves more good, beautiful human being, not as beautiful as we look. We are all beautiful, but we are going to make ourselves within this month of Ramadan a very, very good, generous and good Muslim, good human being, a good person, a good child. So when we come after this Ramadan, everybody sees that we have practiced all the good things, and we are going to do this day after day, month after month after month. So this is your cocoon time, kids. You're in your cocoon. You are not sleeping, but you're doing a lot. And then after that, you will come bright, beautiful, and flying and doing all the good things. Okay. So this was our science class today, in which we have learned about the life cycle of butterfly and a beautiful story of a hungry caterpillar. So I'm going to see you soon, inshallah, in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, be grateful for everything. See you Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made such beautiful things for us. So we have to look and observe, and we have to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we'll see each other soon, inshallah, in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay? So see you soon, inshallah. Bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.